Hey everyone! Having a live interactive map right inside your Notion workspace is the ultimate 2026 power move. Today, I'm showing you the foolproof way to embed Google Maps so they stay interactive, updated, and perfectly styled. Let's head to Google Maps first. Start by opening Google Maps in your browser. Search for the exact address, landmark, or even a set of custom directions you want to visualize. A pro tip for 2026, if you want the map to show a specific zoom level or a street view perspective, make sure you have that view open on your screen right now. Notion will often try to preserve the exact look you see here when you grab the link. Click the Share button in the left-hand panel. You'll see two tabs, Send a Link and Embed a Map. While the Send a Link option is fast, copying the HTML code from the Embed a Map tab often gives you a more stable, centered view inside Notion. For this tutorial, we'll stick to the standard Copy Link from the Send a Link tab. It's the most beginner-friendly and automatically adjusts to your Notion page width. Now jump back to your Notion page. You have two ways to do this. You can simply paste the link and select Create Embed from the pop-up menu, or you can type /map to call up the dedicated Google Maps block. Using the /map command is usually better because it tells Notion to optimize the loading speed for a map specifically, rather than a generic web link. Paste your URL and hit Embed Map. Once the map loads, it's fully interactive. But here is the 2026 trick. To avoid scrolling the map when you just want to scroll down the page, Notion now requires you to hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to zoom or pan. This keeps your dashboard from feeling jumpy. You can also click the View Larger Map icon in the top right of the block to jump back to the full Google Maps site at any time. Finally, let's talk aesthetics. Hover over the map and use the black handles on the sides to resize it. If you're building a travel guide, try dragging the map into a two-column layout. Put your itinerary on the left and the map on the right. This keeps your location visual right next to your plans. Because it's a live embed, any changes Google makes to the area, like new restaurant names or traffic, will update in your Notion page automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.